Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best weighted blankets on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Quility Weighted Blanket. Made of 100% cotton material, the Quility Weighted Blanket is the perfect choice for promoting relaxation and improving sleep quality. The blanket gets its weight from thousands of microglass beads that are evenly distributed inside the blanket to provide even pressure. They also help regulate the temperature so the blanket doesn't get too hot. Meanwhile, the included cover is removable for easy cleaning and is also incredibly soft, perfect for young kids. What we like about it: soft, comforting 7-layer design. Removable cover for easy washing. Can help with anxiety and insomnia. What we don't like about it: a bit warmer than other options. Number 2. Sonly Weighted Blanket. With its high breathability, soft material, and premium glass beads, the Sonly Weighted Blanket creates a unique, comforting hug-like feeling that helps relax your body. This blanket features a reinforced stitch along 2 layers of protective lining so you know the glass beads will stay secure. Like other options on this list, the glass beads provide a comfortable temperature throughout the year due to their heat absorption capabilities. This blanket offers plenty of size and weight options as well, and it also comes in many different colors. What we like about it: available in many colors, sizes, and weights. Keeps legs straight for side sleepers. Uses recyclable, eco-friendly glass beads. What we don't like about it: the stitching is a bit scratchy. Number 3. Says Hen Weighted Blanket. Designed with the customer in mind, the Hen Weighted Blanket makes sure that everyone can get the necessary sleep they require to be productive. First of all, you'll notice that the blanket's quality stitching makes the filling shift less often and ensures an even spread of weight and thickness throughout. The fabric, which consists of Egyptian cotton, is incredibly breathable to keep you cool in summer while remaining perfectly suitable for year-round use. As a whole, with a user-friendly, breathable, and high-quality overall design. What we like about it: available in various colors, weights, and sizes. Very affordable price point. Evenly distributes weight. What we don't like about it: too hot and heavy for some customers. Number 4. Topsy Weighted Blanket. I own the Topsy Weighted Blanket and, with its cooling breathable material and evenly distributed weight, can confidently say I've never been more comfortable. I took probably the best nap of my life. The first time I used this blanket, I just pulled it on and was instantly asleep. To enjoy comfort like I experienced, the manufacturer recommends choosing a blanket that's 8 to 12% of your body weight for the most restful sleep. It also comes in a wide variety of sizes and weights, so no matter the size of bed you own, this blanket has you covered, no pun intended. What we like about it: available in multiple sizes and weights. Filled with hypoallergenic beads. Very durable construction. What we don't like about it: maybe too warm for some. Number 5. Floor-NC Weighted Blanket. Weighing in at 12 pounds, the Floor-NC Weighted Blanket is another great option on our list if you are looking for one for your small child or just want a light option for yourself. Additionally, its glass beads are securely sewn into the blanket so that they provide consistent distribution and won't be at risk of leaking out. The best part, though, is that the blanket is both warming and cooling depending on your needs. Simply use the bamboo side for cooling and the soft minky side when you need extra warmth. What we like about it: available in 4 sizes. Perfect size for kids. Not overly heavy. What we don't like about it: too small for larger/older children. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.